Well, you really couldn't ask for much more of a beautiful day as we finish out unofficially summer and enter in unofficially to fall. We have temperatures that were close to 80 degrees today. We have that sunshine that made itself known, and you can see it sparkling off of some of those inland lakes. Inland lake temperatures close to about 70 degrees, and as we go overnight tonight, we're going to see our temperatures dropping down to about 62, and then Labor Day itself, I actually dropped this down to about 79. So that's what we're going to be seeing over the next 24 hours here. And the biggest hazard that I want to tell you about first, primarily, Lake Michigan is going to get very rocky overnight tonight in through Labor Day. And then tomorrow, it's looking like we're also going to see a chance for some showers and storms as a cold front rolls on down. So right now we got a little bit of cloud cover out there. Here's that batch of showers and storms that we're going to be watching moving on down from the north to the south. And as it does so, it's going to be kicking up. It looks like some stronger storms for Monday, because timing on this and the showers that'll form ahead of it are right in the afternoon when we have some of that peak instability for this system to feed off of. So here it is on Storm Track Live, so we'll time it out for you. And we'll start overnight, mostly clear. Don't even really see those clouds until tomorrow morning, close to about 7 a.m. So many of us are going to be starting with at least a little bit of sunshine tomorrow morning. Some spots could see a shower before the afternoon, Big Rapids, for example. But most of our forecast models have a pretty decent consensus that this batch of showers and storms should be moving through in the afternoon. So all day tomorrow, plan at least the chance of a shower or storm, but in general, it's looking most likely in the afternoon, and it's still trending north of Grand Rapids by about 2, and then starting to edge south of Grand Rapids by the time we get closer to 4. Check this out. Once we get to 8 o'clock, we're back to sunshine. Well, we'll have sunset by that point in time, but we're back to clear skies. So we should finish out the day with a really pleasant forecast before some more showers build in for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, the winds are going to be kicking up quite a bit with this system. So your wind gust futurecast looks like this. By 2 a.m., we could be seeing some gusts in the 20 to even 30 mile per hour range north of I-96. Once we get to 7 a.m., those fast gusts of wind, so those extra pushes of wind on top of sustained winds, close to about 30 miles per hour for everyone. That maintains through the morning. So if you have picnics or parades, keep that in mind. You might have to battle the wind a bit. And then as we see that cold front pass, we're going to start to see things calm down just a bit. So high rip currents Monday, 4 to 8 foot waves. Do not get in the water for Labor Day. You can go to the beach, just don't go into the water. Your 8-day forecast shows that cool down and some showers being generated by that cool down. They're mainly going to be that light cold rain that we see roll on in with some of that cooler air. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday looking nice. Of course, that's the time frame that the nation's eyes are going to be turning towards Irma. Irma, very strong, continuing to intensify and looking like it's going to continue to gain strength into another major hurricane, a Cat 4. And now hurricane warnings have been issued for the Leeward Islands there. You can see just on the east side of San Juan. And forecast track continues to take it very close to the Bahamas. It's looking more and more likely that the Bahamas are going to be seeing tropical storm force, if not hurricane force winds from Irma by the time we get to Friday.
Wow.
So everyone's watching, especially after Harvey, especially after seeing what devastation a storm like this can do.
Right, so soon. All right, thanks, Ellen.
Yep.